much should I spend on my divorce? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law, and many people heading toward divorce are naturally concerned about the finances. Splitting one household into two creates some tension, some strain financially, and so it's not uncommon for people to also be concerned about how much they're going to have to spend to get this done, and specifically on legal fees. So the best way to think about this is that, first of all, there is no black and white answer to this. How much you should spend on your divorce sits at the intersection of getting as close to your goals as possible, what you want to accomplish in divorce, so long as those are reasonable, and doing so efficiently. And so those two factors are what you need to keep in mind to get you to the finish line with a reasonable amount of legal fees spent. So in other words, you sit down with an attorney, you come up with reasonable goals, and you work with the attorney to get there as efficiently as possible. And so there's going to be some give and take. There are going to be some things that are worth fighting for, are worth waiting for, are worth spending money on, and there are going to be some things that aren't. And so it's your job and responsibility, along with that of your divorce attorney, and using the divorce attorney's guidance to figure out where the line is between those, what you should be pursuing, what you shouldn't, and ultimately how much you will spend. And another thing that is really important is that you should be engaging in an ongoing cost-benefit analysis with your attorney. So in other words, as issues come up in the case, you need to be discussing the following. How important is this to me? What are the odds of winning if this issue were to go in front of a judge or a mediator? And finally, how much is this going to cost me? And breaking it down that way puts you in a position to make smart decisions every step of the way about what you should be investing your time and money in. Ultimately, you want to make sure that you get a great return on investment on the legal fees you're spending or paying. And so sometimes that means having to spend a lot because there's a lot on the line and what you're going for is worth it. And sometimes you have to cut your losses and call it a day. And you need to have these discussions with your attorney every step of the way. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can share it with anyone you think might benefit from it. And you can also find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.